Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best clay extruder is probably one of the most versatile tools for pottery, sculpture, and various forms of craft and art making, allowing artists and crafters to create consistent shapes, patterns, and forms from clay with effortless ease, saving you time and energy while enhancing your creative process, and ultimately leading to stunning and professional-looking results that will impress both you and your audience. Number 5. DAS Smart Clay Extruder. It's time to explore the endless possibilities of clay sculpting. With its versatile design and durable construction, this tool will become your new favorite art companion. It comes with 20 different shaped discs, allowing you to create a wide variety of clay shapes, from thick ropes to delicate strands. Let your imagination run wild. Made from sturdy aluminum, it's designed for longevity. This extruder will stand up to countless projects, supporting your artistic vision for years to come. Simply load the clay, twist the handle, and watch as it effortlessly extrudes perfectly formed clay shapes. Intricate designs are now within easy reach. Cleaning is a breeze. It easily disassembles for quick and thorough cleaning, allowing you to start your next project without delay. Since 1963, DAS has been dedicated to producing high-quality, easy-to-use clay tools. This extruder is a testament to that commitment, trusted by artists and hobbyists alike. What we like? It boasts an impressive array of 20 differently shaped discs. Its sturdy aluminum build ensures it'll be a reliable tool for years to come. If you value durability and a wide range of creative options, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? I needed the extruder to make specific shapes for my clay and found it extremely helpful. The high processing quality, the versatile attachments and the ergonomic design make it an indispensable tool for professionals and beginners alike. The possibility of easily creating precise shapes and fine details sets this product apart from others. Number 4. Clay Extruder Decorating Tool Set. This versatile tool is perfect for creating intricate designs in clay, fondant, or pastry. It's easy to use and even easier to clean. With 20 different tips, it lets you create a wide variety of shapes and textures. Unleash your creativity. Say goodbye to tedious hand decorating. It makes creating beautiful designs quick and simple. It's made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring long-lasting use. It's built to withstand frequent use. Cleaning is a breeze. It easily breaks down into 3 parts for effortless cleaning with soap and water. Use it with polymer clay, ceramic clay, pastry, bread dough, or even syrup. The possibilities are endless. It measures approximately 6.5 inches long and 4.1 inches wide at its widest point. The bottom has an outer diameter of 0.86 inches and an inner diameter of 0.62 inches. What we like? This versatile tool isn't just for clay, it works with various materials. Its 3-part design makes cleanup a breeze. If you need a convenient and efficient tool for multiple crafting needs, this is the one for you. What people say? Used for clay. Works great and easy to clean. This little gadget saved my hand and my sanity. The shapes are great and it's so easy to use. Just got this today and had to play with it right away. This is a cool tool for my clay projects. I sampled 6 different plugs and it's super fun. Easy to clean. Number 3. Myceke Clay Extruder. This versatile tool isn't just for clay, it's perfect for cakes, bread dough, and even syrup. Get creative with your art projects, from clay sculpting to foam crafts. With 20 different disc attachments, it has everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Explore endless possibilities with this comprehensive set. It's built to last. The stainless steel ensures it's strong, durable, and easy to clean, making it a reliable tool for all your projects. The non-slip design makes it comfortable and easy to use. Its 3-part design makes cleaning a breeze. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is an ideal present for artists, bakers, and crafters. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays. What we like? From clay to cakes, this extruder handles it all. It comes with 20 different discs for endless possibilities. If you're looking for a durable and versatile tool for various crafting projects, this is the perfect option. What people say? It's much larger than what I expected, which is very good, and it seems to be very well made. It has a good balance of weight and very easy to use. This is so much better than the one I had before where it was hard to push the clay through. Makes great faux clay sprinkles for faux desserts. Comes with several shapes you can make. Beautiful colorful clay confetti can be made with this product. Number 2. CZWESTC Clay Extruder. This innovative tool is perfect for crafting beautiful clay, fondant, or sugar paste designs. Its lightweight and easy-to-use design makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. It comes with 20 different stainless steel discs, allowing you to create a wide variety of shapes and patterns. Let your creativity flow with the endless possibilities. Cleaning is a breeze. It easily disassembles into 3 parts for quick and thorough cleaning with soap and water. Made from durable alloy, it's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take it with you wherever your artistic journey takes you. Please refer to the images for the exact dimensions. Ensure it's the right size for your needs before purchasing. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us within 30 days for a full refund or replacement. What we like. This lightweight extruder is simple to use and clean. It includes 20 different stainless steel discs for creating various ribbon shapes. If you prioritize ease of use and a variety of design options, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Well made, durable and far easier to use than the push extruder I purchased from a craft store before. It cleans up really easy too. Strong enough for thinnest disc. Number 1. Swpeet 122 PCS Clay Extruder Kit. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this comprehensive kit. It has everything you need to create stunning clay and fondant decorations. This versatile extruder gun comes with 20 different discs, allowing you to create a wide variety of shapes and designs. It's made from durable aluminum alloy and is easy to use. With 47 different fondant molds and 14 shaped cutters, you can craft beautiful flowers, snowflakes, and other intricate designs for cakes and cupcakes. The 40 included polymer clay cutters are perfect for creating various shapes and sizes. They're easy to clean and reusable. From cookies and cupcakes to cake pops and more, this kit lets you add a touch of elegance to any occasion. Let your imagination run wild. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this kit provides all the tools you need to create beautiful and delicious treats. Get creative and have fun. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for clay and cake decorating. It includes an extruder, numerous cutters, and molds. If you're starting out and want a complete set, this is the best option for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.